A few days later, she called me that her sister is on her way to my place.
You fall. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Princess Banigos. Have you subscribed to my new channel, Princess Banigos? If you haven't, you need to kindly click the subscribe button over there and consider subscribing on this channel as well. So guys, yes, we're going out and I decided to take you guys with me. The Banigos. We're going out and let me show you what the boys are looking like.
Oh, let's go, Jack.
See my Boaz, it is Papa's cap, and that's Mr. Jeff. So yes, I'm wearing this dress. How do I look, guys? And I'm super sweaty, it's so hot. This dress, where did this bag? You know what I mean? You know. I'm so excited to be going out. It's been a while, guys. So yes, we're off. We're going to, should I tell you where, or maybe I should just show you guys the place? We're going to Ogba actually, and a friend's mom is celebrating her birthday, so just want to go and chill. Guys, it's so good to go out because it's been a while, and it's so nice because the distance is not far. Usually going out with the kids, I mean, it's not easy, but like going out right now, it's not so far, so it makes it super easy to, you know, go out with the kids. So yes, we're off there and I'll see you guys when we probably get there, or I'll show you guys, you know, the road or something. Yeah, let's just go. Yes guys, how do I look? You guys know I like to ask you how I look. You know, you guys give me joy when you tell me I look beautiful. So yes, how do I look? So yes, coming. And Boaz doesn't want to be held. See him telling his father to leave him.
I keep wondering, are we really the giants of Africa? I keep wondering, is this how rape and killing is going to continue? I keep wondering, do I have to always pray before God would answer, or for things to change for the better? I keep wondering, is it the sins of the nations, the forefathers, or my sins that are making things this way? I keep wondering, who have I offended, or what are my sins? I keep wondering. I ponder and I wonder every night, tossing and turning on my bed, thinking of ways for things to get better. I keep wondering, the generations to come, is this what they are going to have to face? I keep wondering, people outside the country, is this what they go through also? I keep wondering, people that are in the overseas, do they have to pray to get good roads, light, and the normal social amenities? I keep wondering, am I an overthinker, or do I think things too deeply? I keep wondering, is this how Africa is actually meant to be? Oh, my sweet Africa, I keep wondering, is this how we're supposed to just survive? I keep wondering.
In my life, I've met so many girls, so many fine girls, so many nice girls, and there were plenty, but I know if you forget Angelina, yo, Angelina, yo, Angelina, fine girl from Ghana, they get to big Ibaka, Angelina, yo, Angelina, yo, Angelina, hey. She tell me such you like the way I do. She tell me such you like the way I sing. She tell me, Dammy, you're the one I choose. Dammy, and you, Dammy, and you, baby. Dammy, and you, oh no. Yo, Mama.
Again, okay, become a mirror.
the way I do. She tell me such you like the way I sing. She tell me you're the one I choose. Ah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. Now me and you, now me and you, baby. Now me and you. Oh no 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 no. Angelina, yo, Angelina, yo yo yo, Angelina. Fine girl from Ghana, with a bust in my head though. Angelina, yo yo yo, Angelina, yo yo yo, Angelina.
Left the park. Yes, I couldn't vlog in there for some reason, and I just came to an eatery to chill. Abraham, guys, a YouTuber surprised me, but I'll give you guys that gist when I go. So yes, I'm back from the outing and I'm super tired, but I just want to come and give you guys this gist before, you know, I wind up, you know, for the day. I just want to come and gist with you guys a bit. Yes, a YouTuber surprised me, and guys, you will not believe this surprise. I'm going to be inserting clips of, you know, the individual for you guys to see, but I just wanted to gist you guys the story of how this YouTuber surprised me. So I mean, like, she's someone we have each other's number, right? So it's only natural when she asked me that send your address for me to send it. Like, I just assumed maybe she wanted to send me something, or I don't know, I really didn't think of it much, so I just sent it to her. And I told my husband that I mean, my friend asked for my address, so you know. So 2 days later, she now called me and said her sister is on her way to my place and her sister is stuck in traffic. I was so worried when she told me that, you know. I was like, that the sister did not leave early, so I became worried. So I told her immediately that please send me a number, let me call her. I was so worried, like I was so worried. So she sent her sister's number, and then I called the sister. She picked up. So I asked her that, oh, where are you now? Can I talk to, you know, the person that is bringing you here, since you are in a Uber and all that, you know. So I was talking back and forth with the sister and all that. I was calling her every second to know where she was. I told the YouTuber that don't worry, like she can sleep over even if she comes later and all that, guys. So I kept, you know, being Uber, I was so worried that the money might go up. So at the point, the Uber man was just trying to chop their money and just taking them round and round, you know, since he knew they didn't know where they were going to. Finally, when I now called her again, she said they came down from the Uber and they picked the bike from the one bus stop coming to my place. I was like, okay, that she picked a bike rather. I said, okay, that the bike shouldn't be more than 150. Oh. She said yes, that's what she paid. So guys, finally she got to my gate. I was on the phone talking to somebody, you know, just gisting, and I was carrying balls in one hand, and I'm like, okay, let me go and open the door for her, the main gate for her. Guys, when I got there, you'll not believe what I saw. I'm going to insert the person's video for you guys to see. Like, oh my god, like, I mean, guys, it was crazy. It was crazy. I screamed. I was surprised. You can say, I mean, you can call it, you know, whatever, as in, like, I don't know when she's gonna put out her own video, but in that video you see my reaction. I mean, you guys should definitely look out for that video. Constant Space, well done. No, this one, you get mind. Guys, you'll not believe what I have here. I'm sorry the lighting is bad, but look at Constance in my house. Hey, see Constance in my house. Hey, Chinekena, people of God. Hey, Constance, come and sit there, left and touch you well. Let me go bring cold water from the fridge from her. Bring cold water. Welcome to our village. Constant Space. Oh lo. Hey. Hey. Guys, you not believe what this woman did to me. She's in my house.
Say hello.
Guys, see Constance.
I won the cup.
She won this one. She scattered everything. Hey, guys.
Abraham, say hi.
Say hi. I'm still in shock, guys.
So guys, she was screaming like a...
I screamed like a crazy person. Like a crazy person. Like, and I was on the phone with my friend, and then I screamed. I told her, Costco, I'll talk to you later. God. And I love you. I'll talk to you later. Not this call. Hey God. It's all loud though. It's loud. I swear. He joke.
Me, I would have been, you know, I don't know if I can surprise somebody like that, but that surprise really got to me. It really got to me. So guys, yeah, basically that was just all I wanted to come and tell you guys, that YouTube actually, I mean, connects people. I mean, you guys will get to know more in subsequent video. Constant Space, babes, I just want to say thank you for being, I don't know what to call you. Thank you for being a good person. Thank you for being an amazing person. You know, there are certain people you know in your life and you'll be like, thank God I know this person. So you're one of those people that I'm grateful to God for, that I know. So thank you so much. It was so nice having you around, even though the stay was quite short and we didn't get to chat and just as I would have loved to. Hopefully, God's willing, I can come to Senegal and see you, and you can, you know, treat me and we can gist all the OGs that would not get to gist. But I mean, like, well done, girl. This one, enter. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.